Have you noticed your car suddenly shaking when you go over or at least 60 miles per hour while driving? As we know, 60 miles per hour can be quite fast, but a car shaking at that speed shouldn't be normal, right? In this video, let's talk about the possible causes of your car shaking at 60 miles per hour. Let's get started. Reason number 1, wheel alignment issues. Your car may shake at 60 miles per hour because of wheel alignment issues. So when your wheels are not aligned properly, they don't make even contact with the road. This uneven contact causes the tires to wear unevenly, which can lead to shaking, especially at higher speeds like 60 miles per hour. Misalignment can happen if you hit curbs, potholes, or from normal wear over time. So if your car shakes and you think it's an alignment issue, it's important to get it checked and fixed, as misalignment can also affect your tires and how your car handles. Reason number 2, unbalanced tires. Your car may also shake at 60 miles per hour because of unbalanced tires. When your tires are not balanced, the weight is unevenly distributed around the wheel. This imbalance causes the tires to wobble or vibrate, especially at higher speeds like 60 miles per hour. The shaking usually gets worse as the speed increases. Unbalanced tires can result from regular wear, hitting a pothole, or after a tire change if the tires were not properly balanced. Just like with the first reason we talked about earlier, you must get your tires balanced to help solve the issue and improve your driving experience. By the way, I'll leave some useful tools in the description like a digital tire pressure gauge, OBD2 scanner, and wheel alignment tool so you can check your car at home before spending money at a shop. Reason number 3, worn suspension components. Your car may also shake at 60 miles per hour because of worn suspension parts, which are the one that keeps your car stable and helps absorb bumps in the road. When parts like the shocks, struts, or bushings wear out, they can't keep the tires properly connected to the road, which can cause shaking, especially at higher speeds like 60 miles per hour. Worn suspension parts can also lead to uneven tire wear, making the shaking worse. So if your car shakes and you think the suspension is the problem, it's important to have it checked and repaired to keep your ride smooth and safe. Reason number 4, brake issues. Another reason why your car may shake at 60 miles per hour is due to brake issues, especially if the brake rotors are warped or uneven. When the rotors are not smooth, the brake pads can't make proper contact with them, which causes vibrations when braking at higher speeds. Even though the shaking is more noticeable when applying the brakes, it can sometimes be felt at 60 miles per hour while driving. Worn or damaged brake components like calipers or pads can also cause shaking. Reason number 5, driveshaft or axle problems. Your car may also shake at 60 miles per hour due to problems with the driveshaft or axle. The driveshaft transfers power from the engine to the wheels, and if it's bent, damaged, or worn, it can cause vibrations, especially at higher speeds. Similarly, damaged or worn axles can prevent smooth rotation, leading to shaking that becomes more noticeable the faster you drive. If you experience shaking at higher speeds, it's important to have the driveshaft or axles inspected and repaired to prevent further damage and ensure safe driving. Replacing a driveshaft can cost between $500 and $1,000, while replacing an axle typically ranges from $300 to $800. Depending on the make and model of your vehicle and labor costs. There you have it. Those are the possible reasons your car shakes when you're driving at about 60 miles per hour. If one or more of these issues keep coming up and your car continues to shake, the best thing to do is find out what's causing it first and have a mechanic check it. This will help prevent further damage and keep your car safe to drive. We hope you find this video helpful, and you can also let us know what problems you're having with your car by leaving a comment below, and we'll assist you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe